Good morning, YouTube friends. My name is Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, today is the 27th. What was that? I think there's somebody in my house. Hello? Hello? What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? You're not supposed to be in my house. What are you doing? What are you doing in my house? Get out! I told you, you're not welcome in here. I will grab you by the throat. I will grab you by the throat and I will drag you out. Get out of my house. You're not... Get out! Come on. Come on, let's go. Get out. Come on, get out. Grab you right by the throat. I'm done with you. You've been here all winter. Get out. You're done. I'm done with you. And take all your friends with you. Even this little guy, get him out of here. Window scraper, get out. Winter gloves, get out. Winter boots, you get out too. I'm done with you. All of you guys, get out. Don't you guys get it? Winter's over. All of you guys. I don't even want to see you in my house again. You heard of global warming? Get out. And don't come back.